Okay, welcome back. So the top is officially finished being fiberglassed on. So I ran a strip of fiberglass from here all the way around to this side, and I don't know if you can see it, but kind of just along this edge. Yeah, kind of hard to see, but my next step is to take the angle grinder, sand down this surface far enough to have enough of a fresh surface to lay to fiberglass the top to the transom. I just kind of went over this quickly with my belt sander just to get it smooth. So that looks good. I got to do a little bit more here. But yeah, so I put this on my grinder. It's basically just a disc, a sandpaper disc. I think it's 80 grit. So I'm gonna try that. Basically just go along here, kind of try to feather it out from the, and try to feather it out from the edge about maybe this far back, maybe not that far, I don't know. We'll just kind of work at it a little bit and see how much I get. And then after that's finished, I can look into laying the fiberglass down onto the transom and get that all finished up and secured. Let's at least sand down the surface to see what it looks like underneath. Got this all sanded down, and then I got this stuff, heavyweight fiberglass cloth. So snippety. Gonna probably cut a piece out of this guy and lay it on the transom face, on the face of the transom here. Basically gonna cut out, it's gonna basically be the width of the fiberglass, the 1708 fiberglass, and then it's gonna come down to right there. And then once that's in, I can put the 1708 fiberglass mat along this edge. And then I'm going to fill in this crack with fiberglass putty, and then lay a strip of fiberglass matting on top of that. I need to cut all my pieces out before I do any fiberglassing because I want to get everything fiberglassed in together at the same time. Okay, so this piece will basically line the plywood anyways, it's gonna go into here, and then I'm gonna lay the other stuff over top of it, but kind of like an angle here. bar would be fine, eh? Are you listening to me, Ben? What? Okay. Now that's all clean. You can go ahead. Go ahead with the fiberglass. Thanks, Ben. All right, so the fiberglassing on the transom's done. Kind of see there's a lip here. I'm gonna sand it down so it's flush with the transom. And then, yeah, so then I gotta figure out how to, well, I guess I'll see what it looks like. And I guess after that, I guess I'll see what it looks like because I need to properly join up these corners, I guess. I'm not sure. And then under here, got it all fiberglass in. I put a little wooden block underneath there to jack up the middle part of the engine well. I had to get this side, I had to get the middle part here a little higher, so that's what that block was for. Once it's dry, and I have it all sanded down, I'll see what it looks like, because I mean, I might have to do obviously still a lot of filling, like filler work, because here, I mean, it's pretty just bumpy all over the place. So it's still gonna take a bit before it's completely done, at least before I paint it. So while I'm letting that dry, I cleaned off the boat, so I'm going to take my sander and just start sanding over the whole surface of the boat, the whole top, the sides, the inside, or at least the inside of the sides. I'll work my way from the front to the back, see how far I get, because obviously I'll just sand this area later when this is all dry. I might pull these nails out now, because I mean, the top is fiberglass on properly and they aren't really doing much. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Pretty much get the first layer of like the older paint gel slash gel coat, whatever was used on here originally. And then I'll see, maybe go over it one more time with like 120 grit. But then I gotta go over and clean up all these holes. Some holes here, some holes here. So I'm just gonna fill in everything. Same with on that side. So I'll just get to that. See how far I get. Probably won't take too long. Actually, it might take a while. But if I can get this whole boat sanded down by the end of the day, that would be great. I think that's a pretty big job. And then we can kind of move on, or just get that much closer to prepping for paint. So I'll start sanding now, see how that goes, and kind of just go from there. All right.